Kath, this is Matt, and this is us in our Ecowagon van Basel. We first met Ecowagon here at the Malvern Busfest a few years ago. We'd come in our old camper van, an old Type 2 VW, very much in love with the old VW scene, not really interested in looking at sort of more modern conversions. And then we just happened across Ecowagon, had started having a look around what they had and absolutely fell in love with it. It seemed a bit different, it seemed much more stylish than a lot of the other ones that we'd seen, which were a little bit, dare I say, caravan-y, do you say?
Yeah.
And so they seemed much cooler, and they seemed some really great bespoke ideas. They looked absolutely brilliant. So we looked at it, decided it wasn't for us price-wise at the time, and we thought, well, we'd have to sell our lovely old VW. And then we went home and thought, I don't think I can wait to sell the van.
You only live once.
You only live once, you've got to do it. So with Kenny's advice, he put us in touch with some people who could give us a blank van that we could start from scratch with. We managed to get that really good price with his help. Took it down to the team down in Cornwall, and they were absolutely brilliant. We designed it with us, really helpful. Workmanship's been absolutely brilliant, and we were really chuffed with the final result. And we always go down to Cornwall on holidays still, and every time we call in, there's always some excuse to go in, either an upgrade or just to go and say hi to the guys, because it's been absolutely brilliant. The aftercare service is great. It's been brilliant, and we feel like we're all part of a club, with such nice people involved. It's been awesome, and I was so excited. I've got to say, when we got the van first of all, and we had our first outing in it, I phoned up Kenny and said, "Kenny, I fucking love it." Which I do. It's so great. It's got everything we need, and I can't believe even somebody who's not the most careful of packers can fit even all my stuff in. I absolutely love it. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Another thing, one of the great things about this van is not that it's just great for holidays and things, it's actually really practical, and we bought it because we've got a lot of building work going on and stuff like that. So what we really love is this feature with the sliding seats, so that you can create loads of space in the back. We can have, if we've got passengers, they can sit near us. It's great if we've had my nieces or whatever in the back. So this has actually been revolutionary, because it means it makes the van so versatile.